All right, so what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we starting the video off crazy, I ain't gonna lie. We got something dope in the garage, something different that we've never had in here before. Right hand drive Mark II. This thing is super sick. It's one of the homies' whips. He ended up wrapping the whole car himself. We're just gonna help him out with the front bumper and get this thing all one color. And I can't wait to see this thing finished. It's gonna look so sick. It already looks dope as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. I never really paid attention to this car like too much, but like having it in my garage and paying attention, it looks pretty damn good, especially with this kit. I forgot what kind of kit this is, but it looks pretty dope. I mean, stay tuned. We're gonna finish this front bumper. That's the last piece he needs. He did a pretty good job wrapping the rest of it himself. So let's go ahead and finish it up for him, and let's get it. This thing's sitting right, especially with this kit. It looks super sick. Once we give the car back to him, I'll ask him what kit this is. Guy Loki forgot, but it's sitting super sick. I know a lot of you guys on the channel, you guys like these cars. I like these cars. It's right hand drive, it's JDM, it's fucking dope. Yeah, it's sick, bro. I mean, who would not like this? This shit's hard. But yeah, let's just not waste no time. Let's get this thing done already. I'm gonna throw a time lapse of me wrapping it, but let's get some B-roll of it before, and then we'll get it after. Car looks super sick. Definitely like this car a lot. It's gonna be worth it. I'm super excited to get more practice in. So you're in the Vegas area, you need some wrap work done, car work done, tap in, let me know. My Instagram's right here. Prices is good, bro. We trying to get better at rapping. Wrapped already a couple cars, better practice. You know, my word, my prices, they good, you know? So tap in. I almost couldn't find my squeegees, and that was low-key very stressful, because without these I cannot rap. I got my rap gloves, but I need these, very essential. So let's get this thing cleaned up. 3 hours on time lapse. Shouldn't take me too long. Let's say an hour, 6-7 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so this is the update that we got, bro. It's not looking too terrible. It's not the best, it's not perfect. Still practicing, obviously. This is a very complex bumper. It's very difficult, and it's frustrating me, and I've already been at this for a couple hours, but we're gonna see it through, and should be okay. It's gonna come out okay. Could it have been better? Most definitely. Will I get better? Most definitely. So that's all that really matters. As long as there's progress, you're not losing nothing. So yeah, wrapping it up. It's almost getting there. You can see the bumpers forming. So let's just get this thing finished up. We got some inlays we need to do and whatnot. But yeah, let's just get this thing over and done with. Now it's most definitely starting to look like something. Car's looking like it's back together, but dude, sheesh, these bumpers, man, these kids from Japan, they're very difficult to wrap, but it's all gonna be one color. It's gonna look sick. All right, so basically final stretch. Car is basically all done, and I mean, I'll let you guys be the judge of it. I won't get too close because it is just a wrap, but I mean, if you got your car wrapped or if you've ever wrapped before, it's not easy. As you can see, error on error on error, but let me know what you guys think. That's not too bad. The car looks all one color. The car is sick, dude. This car is super sick. I'm actually considering getting one of these myself. This thing looks super fucking hard. Hopefully, maybe when he picks it up, we might just get some B-roll, maybe in the sun, if the sun's not all the way down by then. But yeah, this thing is all one color. It looks super dope. Yeah, not bad.
Hell yeah.
Working with, you see this little tripod? It's done me well, and we'll still continue to use it, but it's time to upgrade. Yes sir, now we got a tripod. That's just clean. Look at that. This one. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna get started today. We got 2 installs on the Civic. So we're gonna install some coilovers, and we're gonna install a new front lip, as well as paint match that front lip. That way the car looking good, riding better. The coilovers on the car right now aren't too terrible. I am on BC Swift springs as well, like 18Ks, but I kind of want to take those springs and throw them on the IS. That way I can go lower on the IS. Since the Civic, I'm not really chasing that stance. It's still low, but I don't want it to be like crazy low anymore. So yeah, we're gonna get right into that. and we're just gonna have fun, bro. I haven't worked on this thing in a cool minute, so it feels good to work on this car. So we're gonna bring this thing to the garage. Let's get it. Well, that took a minute because I went in the car and I forgot my steering wheel. I always do that, but we got the car back in the garage. This thing's looking a little rough, like y'all see. We're missing that front lip, but we're gonna install that in this video as well. Probably give it a wash too. Clean up these headlights. This thing's just been neglected as hell. We still need to get this tuned. We still have yet to get this thing tuned. Enough of that chit chatting, bro. Let's get right into it. Let's finish this. Honestly, I'm gonna set a timer. I think I can finish all 4 coilovers in 1 hour. It's currently 11:14, so 12:30ish, a little bit more than an hour. I think I should be done with all 4. Car is raised up quite a bit from how it was before, but that's just for better driving purposes because that downpipe's like 3 inches. That just scrapes everything. So. Ooh. These things are already looking sick, and they're purple too. Like, gotta look at them. Let me know, are you the type to wear no gloves? Or do you like to wear gloves? Me personally, I like to wear gloves because after you're done, take the gloves off and your hands are still clean. I think I mentioned this before, I got no problem with dirty in my hands, but if I can avoid it, way better. Because, you know, when you dirty your hands, especially all this grime and grease and all that, it's very, very hard to come off, so stay protected. So already having our first problem. I jinxed myself already. The fork coilover goes into, it's stripped, so I gotta bang it out. Super annoying. So I'm debating if it's gonna be easier while it's on the car still or off. I think for now we're gonna go with it off. So let's start removing the top hat bolts. I'm not trying to take long on this, so let's get it. Finished with the fronts, all done. Let's see how this thing sits. Ooh, it's a little lower than what it was, but I like this height a lot better. It's pretty clean. Looks not too as high as it was before, but that top hat, bro, I'm telling you, that's the method right there. Right here, pretty similar. This thing looks pretty low, but I think it's gonna be fine. Should be fine. It's not. Hopefully, it doesn't settle in too crazy. Might have to raise it a little bit. Let's see the clearance we have on the downpipe. Ooh, pretty. Look at that. Holy. It's, I mean, let me see with my own eyes. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work. Fuck it. If we rip through that flex pipe, I don't know what we'll do, to be honest, but we're probably running like this. Call it a day. Looks good. Let's do the rears though, because it took a lot longer than what I thought. It didn't take that long. It's right now it's currently like 12:40, so that's not too far off from where we want it to be. But I did eat, and then I also put the other. I had issue with the other bolt, but I fixed that. Then also, after installing that one, had to remove the top hat and install the extended ones, just because I already knew that it wasn't gonna be low enough. But it's good because this way I can go lower, and then I don't have to sacrifice preload. So that's 2 things. These top hats are like $30 on eBay. You know, obviously. Just works. I wonder if these top hats would work on the IS300. I wonder, probably not. But if they do, I'm gonna have to cost them for that, because on the IS I'm running no preload front and back, and it rides like dog water. So those these Swifts, I'm gonna throw them on the
on the IS. I believe these are 18K. I don't really remember, but they are Swift, so way stiffer than before. Probably throw a helper spring. But yeah, these should be way better for the IS.
And we'll throw the other ones on that. The rears, I'm not too worried about it. On this car, should ride fine. It's probably like 10K, 12K. Shouldn't be too crazy, but in the rear, I'll probably tuck a little bit more. Just, yeah. The only thing is the downpipe and then the rear lip when I get on my driveway is super annoying. But fitment's valid. Pretty good install. Well, next, one thing I really want to do to this car is get a new shifter. I think the, what is it called? Bushing or the bearing on the shifter, not the shift linkage, it's pretty shot. Look, it makes so much noise and it's so annoying to drive. So definitely stay tuned for a new shifter. We got to get that fixed ASAP. Let's get this thing move forward, that way we can do the rears. Definitely be an upgrade. Hopefully this brings us as low as we want. Let's go and throw this back in. Rise and shine. Finish up the coilovers already. We just got the front lip that we need a paint match, meaning we gotta wrap it, but I was mounting it last night, but I needed another person's help to pull it because it's super tight fit. So I'm gonna put those holes in, make sure that you got the mounting points, and then sand it. I'm probably gonna primer it and then wrap it, and then that thing should be good. Give it a little wash and then give you guys a walk around because this thing looks sick. This thing definitely needed a front lip, bro. That did a big difference. Cars with no front lips just look atrocious. I think the height is kind of matching. I think the front might be a little lower than the rear, but once we bring the car down, we'll actually be able to see. But I mean, for the most part, I think it looks good. And I think I have really high hopes that these coils are going to be pretty good. So that's also a good thing. Can't wait to work on the IS 302. Throw these springs on there because these springs definitely going to make a big difference in the IS because that thing rides like shit. So, oh yeah, we definitely need it a little higher. I think I might just raise it just a little bit, just to be sure. And then I got the front lip wrapped, but I kind of did in 10 minutes, so don't look too closely. But from afar, looks pretty decent. Front lips on, coilovers are on. I think the front's staying a little lower than the rear, but I think we're gonna test it out and see how if it rides pretty bad. And I'll raise it, but I'll probably end up raising it. But for now, let's wash this thing real quick, give it a quick rinse, that way I can show you guys. First impression on this drive. See, the ride quality isn't that bad. It's pretty good. It's a little bit bouncy, nothing too major. Obviously the suspension has to travel, but that downpipe keeps scraping. So I might have to raise the front just a little bit more up because I just left it how it was. I thought it'd be good, but right now I'm gonna show you guys an outside point of view of how the car actually looks. I think it looks pretty decent for the most part. Just that's the only downside right now is that the downpipe is scraping. It's scraping pretty bad, not gonna lie. And it's like it has that the flex pipe, so it's like knitted or whatever, and it's like scraping away, which kind of sucks, but hopefully we'll be alright. But let me show you guys right now. It's getting dark already, so it's gonna be like nighttime POV, but it looks sick. Dude, this thing is hitting right here. Yeah, we got that front lip on, coilover setting in. That front is way too low, so I am gonna have to raise it, but it does look good. I would honestly just dump the rear a little bit more, but if it wasn't for that downpipe, well, unfortunately that downpipe is super big, but dude, this thing looks hella good right here. Once again, if you guys are interested in these coilovers, use my code right here. Man, I haven't washed the car in a minute. This thing looks good. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll though real quick. Now that we got a tripod, I can make videos like this. I don't gotta have the trash angles no more, so that's a good thing. I need to get a DJI mic that's next for show. That way the audio quality is a lot better. But the review on these coilovers, budget friendly, they ride good, they look good. It's better than being on stock height. And I honestly went pretty low with them. I'm gonna raise the car like an inch. That way I don't scrape through my downpipe. So with that being said, make sure you guys go tap in with Flash Shark. My code's right here. The next clips y'all gonna see is probably me wrapping the homies Mark II, so enjoy that. A couple other clips in this video. It's probably a long video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. And you know, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.